Welcome to the Oneida-Herkimer-Madison BOCES Safety Office online trainings. This video tutorial will show you how to log into the system and access your course content. You will need the email that was sent to you either by your department chair, building administrator, or district administrator. Within this email will be a URL that you can use to access the system, and it will also provide you your username and password. Some of you may have the option to choose between teacher or student if you currently use BUZZ for OHM curriculum, science kits, or teach from it. For the purposes of these trainings, you will select the student. If you do not have those options, you should come into a screen that holds all of your courses for your trainings. If you do not see the trainings on your screen as you scroll down, please be sure to check your upper left corner. Make sure it says Student App. If it does not say Student App, go over to your right to the waffle and click Student App. If you do not have courses listed and you do not have this option, please contact your administrator to make sure that you are enrolled in the courses properly. To access a course, simply click on the course card. When you come into the landing page, when you scroll to the bottom, you will see a Continue to Course. Please click here to enter the course. Each training is a bit different. Some trainings may have more than one module, others may not. In each training, you will have a video that you will need to watch, and you will have questions that you need to answer. As you answer the questions for each module, please make sure you click Submit in the bottom right corner. Once you press Submit, if you have another module to go to, simply look for the directions at the bottom of the page to go up to the upper right corner and click on the arrow to take you to the next activity. And then answer the questions within this activity. Once you have reached the end of the complete training, you will have a verification question. This question is for you to verify that you have watched all of the videos and answered all questions. If this is true, in the blank box, simply type yes, and then press Submit. You will be able to see what questions you had incorrect and which questions you received correctly. If you need to retake a training, simply click Retake and the training will reopen for you. To access your next course, go up to your upper left, click on the three lines, click on your house, and you can go to your next courses. You will also be able to see the grade you have received on a training. If it is green, it means you have passed the training. If it is red, it means you have not passed the training and therefore will need to retake the training. This has been a brief tutorial on how to access your Oneida-Herkimer-Madison BOCES online safety training courses. Thank you.